Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AutoCAD channel. Today I gonna show you how to make PDF of the drawing. So let's start it. For make the PDF, we have to go File, then select Float option or press Ctrl+C. Then here we have to select printer name or plotter name, and in here we have to select DWG to PDF, and then we have to go page size and select our favorite page. I want to make this PDF as a A3 paper, and I will select A3 paper. Then if I wanted to make my PDF black and white, then we have to select this option and go to the monochrome.ctd and click it. Otherwise, if we wanted to make my PDF colorful, then we will select AutoCAD.ctd. So I wanted to make my PDF AutoCAD.ctd colorful, so that I select AutoCAD.ctd option, and here I press yes. Then if I wanted to make my PDF more qualityful, then select the quality option and select here the maximum option. Then we select the center of the plot and click my page. Then click the plot area and select here the window option. Then click the starting of my drawing area and close it to the opposite corner of the drawing area. Then click here to preview to show my PDF how it is here, and click here plot. Then select the folder where you wanted to save it. I wanted to save it in the desktop, so I select it, and here if we wanted to give any name, then right here I write PDF, then click the save option. After that, we can show our PDF is here. Thank you for watching my video.